Hello Numberblocks fans! Welcome to my YouTube channel Super Creative Numberblocks Zone. In this video, I will show you how to rebuild the Numberblocks 0 to 100 part 7, which is 46 to 50. Anyways, let's begin with the Numberblock 46. Numberblock 46 is made of 40 light green blocks and 6 purple blocks, because purple represents that 6 in 40 blocks. Well, Numberblock 46 is also made of 2 23s or 23 2s. Numberblock 46 is happy to being even block. Yes, because 46 is made of 23 2s. If you lay 2 blocks wide, you'll see 2 by 23, right everyone? Yes. Well, anyways, I built Numberblock 46 by using 40 in normal rectangle formation, and use the 6 blocks by using 4 blocks wide and with 2 blocks on top. Well, Numberblock 46, the blocks are finished. Let's put the sticker. Alright, let's attach the sticker of the Numberblock 46. Well, Numberblock 46 has 2 round purple eyes, because purple represents that 6 in 40 blocks. Oopsie. Sorry, the sticker doesn't stuck. Anyways, put the eyebrows. The Mathlink Cube, the 40's Mathlink Cube is not stick with the sticker, but the 6 blocks are sticked on. Well, anyways, oh, the mouth. Oh, stuck. Phew, the mouth is alright. Anyways, here are finished Numberblock 46. Take it away first. For the next up Numberblock is Numberblock 47. Numberblock 47 is made of 40 light green blocks and 7 rainbow blocks. Well, Numberblock 47 is a prime number. Well, I decorated Numberblock 47 as a secret agent, like wearing the shoes like Numberblock 15, but no step shaped. Step shaped eye, doing like Numberblock 15, like in Numberblock 15. But anyways, this is my own creation. Well, I have heard that Numberblocks Season 8, right, has leaked. Numberblocks Season 8 has leaked by 11 and 12 times table first, right? And the roaring 30s, 40s, including 13, 14, and 15 times table. But I'm not sure. I heard in the YouTube, and they said this is going to leak about the roaring 40s and 30s. But I'm not sure about that. Well, anyways, Numberblock 47, the blocks are finished. Let's attach the sticker. Well, let's attach the Numberblock 47 sticker. Here, like 15's eye, right? It look like 15 eye. I have to stomp it because I want to make the sticker stickier than them ones. Anyways, let's attach her eyebrows. Oh dear. Oh, anyways, I should put like this, because I want to make it easier to look at the faceplates. At the stickers and the faceplates. Well, Numberblock 47 has curly eyebrows, which means she's a secret agent of the Prime Numbers Club. Okay, and here, and her mouth. Oh, it looks clumsy sometimes. Anyways, here are finished number block 47. For the next up number block is number block 48. Number block 48 is made of 40 light green blocks and 8 pink blocks. It represents that 8 in 40 blocks. Number block 48 has 2 color eyebrows, which means her left eyebrows is purple and her right eyebrows are is pink. Sorry, not is wrong grammar. Anyways, purple means 6 and pink means 8, right? Which means 6 times 8 times 8 is 48. Activate. Number block 48 is a super duper rectangle because she can make 8 about more than 8 or I don't know 2 rectangles. Well, let's just count together. 1 by 48, 2 by 24, 3 by 16, 4 by 12, 6 by 8, 8 by 6 is, yes, 8 by 6, 12 by 4, 16 by 3, 24 by 2, and 48 by 1. Wow, 10 rectangles, which means she's a super duper rectangle. Well, 40 blocks are finished. Let's make the 8 blocks, which means 40 plus 8 is 48. To put the 8 blocks on top, and the blocks are finished. Let's attach the sticker. Alright, I laid down the camera because I stomped with the Mathlink Cubes to make the sticker stick with the Mathlink Cubes. Well, anyways, number block 48 has the left eyebrow is purple and the right eyebrow is pink, but dark pink, because 6 times 8 is 48, by purple is 6 and pink is 8. Stop it because I want the sticker stickier. Oh, it doesn't stick at all. Alright, and here's the mouth. The eyes has the purple edges and the mouth has the pink edges. Well, here are finished number block 48. Let's move on to the number block 49. Alright, let's move on to the number block 49. Number block 49 is made of 40 light green blocks and 9 gray blocks. Well, can you guess number block? What is the shape of number block 49 is? That's it. It's square. Number block 49 is the 7th club of square, but also the 7th club of the Rainbow 7 Lucky 7 club. Oh, wait, is it wrong? Oh yes, I do it wrong again. The blocks should go, the 9 blocks should go first. Sorry. There. Here. Do like this first. And, well, number block 49 anyways. Number block 49 has 49 hairs, which means 7 sevens. Let's count together. First 7 hair is red. Second 7 hair are orange. The third 7 hair are yellow. Fourth 7 hairs are green. Fifth 7 hairs are blue. Sixth 7 hairs are purple or indigo. And the last 7 hair, which is 7th hair, are violet or lilac, because which represent that 7 in 7, which means 7 of 7s are 49, or we call 7 by 7 or 7 times 7, because 49 7 times 7 is a square. That's why number block 49 is a square. Well, number block 49, we can recognize her by dark green edges, edge, eye, and mouth. The blocks are finished. Let's attach the sticker by laying down the camera. Alright, I lay down the camera. Let's put the stickers on. Oh my god, the eyes and the mouth is too big. But anyways, no problem. Well, here, oh my gosh, too big. There, I stop it because I want the stickers stuck on the Mathlink Cubes. Here, first red, second orange, third yellow. Oh, sorry. The fourth green. So, anyways, the fifth blue or light blue, yeah, and the sixth violet or not violet, indigo or purple, and the last is lilac or violet. But I don't have lilac color, I have only the pink color. That's why I use pink instead. Oh, there. Should put on here. Oh, it doesn't stop. Alright, here are finished number block 49. Well, let's move to the last number block, but not least, is 50. Alright, let's go to the last one, but not least, is number block 50. Number block 50 is made of 50 light blue blocks. Number block 50 is a super rectangle, cause she can't make the rectangles. She cannot make 8 rectangles. She can make only 6 or 7 rectangles. Let's count after me. 1 by 50, 2 by 25, 5 by 10, 10 by 5, 25 by 2, and 50 by 1, which means she's a super rectangle. Number block 50 has 10 hands, which means one hand has 5 fingers. So 10 hand has 50 fingers. Oh, the camera. There. Sorry. It goes down. Yeah. Well, number block 50 loves band too. That's why she has a gold rock guitar. Well, in the Heroes with Zeros, it has a gold guitar. Yeah, I have seen. I don't know. I think it's expensive or not. Well, anyways, oh my god, this is okay. Well, the blocks 50s are finished. Let's attach the sticker by laying down the camera. Alright, I've laid down the camera. Let's take the sticker. Let's put on the stickers. Here's the eyes. Here's the first eye of number block 50. Star-shaped eye, like number block 5. But it's like the star has the tail. It's very good luck. But she loves stars because number block 5 has star-shaped eye at the left. And the right one has no star-shaped eye, round eye. It's round eye. The edges are blue because 50 is blue, right? And 5 also have the blue features. Dark blue, not light blue, dark blue. And the last one is the mouth. I don't want to lay down because I want to make it in a hurry, but I don't know why the stickers isn't stuck on the Mathlink Cubes. But anyways, after I stop it, look, 50 is finished. Let's lay up the camera and make the number block 50 stand. And here are finished number block 50. Let's review all of the number blocks that we made today. Alright, let's review the number blocks that I've made today, including camera. Number block 46, number block 47, number block 48, oopsie, number block 49, and the last one is number block 50. Well, which one do you like the most? 46, 47, 48, 49, or 50? Leave it in the comments. Well, anyways, this is the end of this video, how to refill the number blocks 46 to 50. Well, if you like this video, you can click like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for the more videos. Anyways, this is the end of this video. Well, see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.